Hello and welcome to the Reiki Gem Wellness channel. Today we're going to be talking about the top 4 crystal healing benefits of working with blue apatite, the stone of insight. And for those who've watched my videos before, welcome back. It's good to have you back. And for those who are new to the channel, my name is Shannon and I'm a certified Reiki master and teacher and a certified gemologist, and I combine those skills and passions to provide you with the knowledge, tools, and opportunities to practice incorporating crystal healing into your everyday life. And today we're doing a study on blue apatite and how that can really assist you in your everyday life situations. And I do specifically call out blue apatite because there are other colors of apatite like green, but blue is the most common and accessible so far, and it is the stone of insight. But if you've been watching my videos and you haven't already subscribed, then please do subscribe to the channel because I post 4 videos a week about gemstones and crystal healing, and you don't want to miss a single video if you're really interested in doing a deep dive into crystal healing and how it can truly support you in your everyday life. And today we're going to be doing that deep dive with apatite, the stone of insight. And this stone is really beautiful. It's a really unique color, this deep teal blue. It's super gorgeous. And it is, as I've mentioned, the stone of insight. And the first benefit of working with apatite is that it really opens up your access to deep insight and personal awareness. This is an excellent stone if you've really been trying to make sense of something in your life, or you're really trying to learn those lessons, those life lessons that may be blocking your spiritual development, your life progress. And this is a stone that can give you access to that information over the course of past lives. So it can help you access that deep inner wisdom within you, because we all have this vast pool of knowledge within us that is just under our subconscious thinking. We know it. We have that knowledge. We can access it. But we do have to have a certain openness and willingness to sit quietly without any kind of expectations or trying to figure out, to allow that information to rise up. And this is information not only from our current life, but previous lives, in between lives, accessing the collective unconscious, information from the universe. So this is a way to really bring forth your personal knowledge to help you learn those karmic lessons and just dissolve them from your path. Just break down any barriers, or to help you bring new insight to a problem you've been trying to figure out that's been halting your progress in some way. So then the second benefit of working with blue apatite is that it stimulates analytical thinking. So if you have been trying to make sense out of something, a problem in your life, a situation, an intellectual concept, or a spiritual concept, then sitting and meditating with blue apatite, again, just releasing any kind of expectations or control over wanting to figure it out, will help the solutions and the extra knowledge about it rise up to the top. It also encourages us to think critically about what we hear, what we read, what we learn, so that we don't just blindly believe everything that comes into our brain, to our senses, because we're inundated with information all the time, and some of it is true and some of it is not. And blue apatite helps us stop and think and do that other research, so that when we believe something, it's because we have done the due diligence to actually consider it and feel that it's true. The third benefit of working with blue apatite is sharing wisdom. This is a stone of the throat chakra, and it is about communication. And this stone is a wonderful gemstone to use if you are a spiritual teacher, if you are a writer, if you are a teacher or educator. It helps you convert all of this insight and knowledge that you have been gaining and translating it out into the spoken or written word, so that you can get your message out to a greater audience, whether it's a classroom, whether it's global, whether you're making videos or writing books. This is a stone that helps you communicate your wisdom, your knowledge, and insight out to others. If you are a spiritual student, if you're a student in general and you've been having difficulty discussing a concept that you have been learning, sitting with apatite will help you find the right words to be able to share that information with others. Whether it's something that you're going to be talking to other students with a teacher, with a boss, if it's for your job, this helps you explain complex concepts to other people. And then the fourth benefit of working with apatite, the stone of insight, is that it helps us connect with others. This is a stone that really helps bridge the gap between ourselves and others. It helps us feel like we are a part of a community, like we are part of humanity, like we are all one. It helps stimulate empathy for others, as we can understand why they have a different viewpoint, or we can understand the situation that they're in. And it helps us be able to communicate with them on a deeper and more compassionate level. So thank you so much for joining me today to talk about apatite, the stone of insight, and how it can help you in your everyday life. This is a beautiful stone for really opening up your personal learning boundaries. It's great if you're going to school, or if you're starting a learning path of some sort, to help you absorb all of this information and then to help you share it with others. So it's a cycle. It's a continuous cycle of learning and connecting and sharing with others and learning more and sharing. It's just a wonderful stone that I do keep with me whenever I'm reading spiritual books in particular, but this can also apply to intellectual endeavors as well. So thank you so much for joining me today to talk about blue apatite. And if you found that this seems like a stone that you could benefit from, then in 2 days I'll be posting a guided meditation with apatite. You do not need a piece of the apatite to benefit from the guided meditation, but if any of the information that you've heard in this video or any of the prompts during the guided meditation really call to you, they feel familiar, or they trigger you a little bit, then that's a sign that you should get some apatite and work with it some more. So thank you so much for joining me today. I know I've said that a lot, but I really appreciate you watching this video. And please do subscribe if you're interested in learning about how gemstones can help you. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again during the guided meditation.